IKEA 2-compartment wardrobe, 4 doors, 6 drawers, 2 trays. Installation by Zi Ben Carpentry and Joinery. In this episode, today we are installing a 2-compartment IKEA wardrobe with 4 doors, 6 drawers, and 2 trays, plus a fresh paint finish on the wall. We assemble 2 carcass, once at a time. Assembling the carcass, first ensure accurate alignment for the shelves and runners. Prepare all carcasses for wall mountings.
Wood and nails, they tell the story. Building dreams, no need for glory. Hands so steady, heart so true. Zi Ben, we built for you. Zi Ben, oh, Zi Ben, oh. Strong and steady like the Iroko. Zi Ben, oh, Zi Ben, oh. Every piece we craft, we let.
Fit shelves and trays easily so drawer and door placement can be checked against finished intended spacing.
Let it glow. From the sawdust to the shine, every plank with care and line. Tables, chairs, and doors to frame. Zi Ben, it's in the name. Measure, cuts, and then fit.
Assemble drawer box, join front, back, and side. Secure with cam screws.
Iroko. Zi Ben, oh, Zi Ben, oh. Every piece we craft, we let it glow.
Attach runners to carcass, side, floor, left and right orientation. Re-drill if necessary. Ensure runners are perfectly parallel and level.
Let it glow. From the sawdust to the shine, every plank with care and line. Tables, chairs, and doors to frame. Zi Ben, it's in the name. Measure, cuts, and then fit. Perfection lives in every bit. Zi Ben, oh, Zi Ben, oh. Strong and steady like the Iroko. Zi Ben, oh, Zi Ben, oh. Every piece we craft, we let it glow.
In this project, we installed 2-compartment IKEA wardrobe featuring 4 doors, 6 drawers, and 2 trays, and complete the transformation with a fresh wall paint finish. Watch how Zi Ben Carpentry and Joinery delivers quality craftsmanship, perfect alignment, and clean modern look.
Zi Ben makes homes come alive. Furniture that speaks a language deep. Zi Ben give dreams to keep. Zi Ben, oh, Zi Ben, oh. Strong and steady like the Iroko. Zi Ben, oh, Zi Ben, oh. Every piece we craft, we let it glow.
IKEA wardrobe assembling and installation. 6 functional drawers, and 2 internal trays. 4 smooth opening doors. Professional wall painting to match the room design. Zi Ben Carpentry and Joinery, precision, passion, and perfection in every project. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing renovation joinery projects.
Zi Ben, we build for you. Zi Ben, oh, Zi Ben, oh. Strong and steady like the